What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your guy Joseph. My name is Joseph Abonyo. If you're new in this channel, at the end of the video, please remember to subscribe, share, and also uh, click the thumbs up. Yeah. So and also the notification bell so that whenever I upload a video, you will be able. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Joseph Abonyo. If you are new in this channel, please consider subscribing. If at the end of the video you'll have liked my video, also like, share, and hit that notification bell so that whenever I upload a video, you will be notified. So today it's lunchtime. I came home for lunch. I'm still working, and I decided to make lunch with you guys. It's a simple lunch. We're going to have Sukuma Wiki. This is beans for 50 shillings. 1 cup is 50 Kenya shillings. Sukuma Wiki, this is 1 Sukuma Wiki for 10 shillings and 1 spinach for 10 shillings. That is 20 shillings. So this makes a total of 70. Then we have 2 tomatoes. 1 is 5 bob, so that is 10. That makes it 80. Then we have these onions. I don't know how they're called. Is it the spring onions, green onions? I don't know. This is for 10 bob, so this is 90. So lunch for 90 shillings. So let's get into it. Let me turn around the camera. Onions and the be cooking as we so the tomatoes are ready, onions are cooking. I was just trying to dry up the water from the onions. Now I'll add cooking oil. That's enough. We will also put this 2 Royco cubes. The onions are golden brown. We'll add tomatoes. I'll add 2 Royco cubes. I will add salt. We give it a stir until it becomes a paste. I will add Sukuma Wiki. Beans. It's almost ready. Just to save time because I'm still working, I'll put it here. I need to go back to work. Put it in this side. As it cooks, we put our water for ugali here. Yeah. So let it cook on a low heat as we cook ugali. But I think it's ready. I don't need to cook it any longer. So I'll just switch off the fire because I want it green as it is right now. It's enough. It's hot. Oh, that's good. That's fantastic. That's our lunch for today. Thank you so much for staying all this while with me. We've cooked together, and if you're able to watch this video up to now, I really appreciate. Just remember to subscribe if you haven't. Like, share, and also press that thumbs up and the notification bell so that next time I upload a video you'll be notified. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.